Hi guys! Yes, let's cook chicken tinola. Chicken tinola is one of the popular and most favorite kinds of dishes here in the Philippines. So as you can see, I'm now adding some water to the chicken. Yan. So una naglagay muna ako ng um, ginger, onions, and then garlic, and I sauteed the chicken with them. And after that, let's put some salt and pepper to taste. So just adjust in whatever taste you prefer, and then you stir it, simmer it, and let it boil for like about 5 to 10 minutes. Then once it boils, let's add the sayote, and then stir it again. Haluin. And then, hayaan muna natin siyang kumulo ulit. So, takpan natin siya. And then, after that, yan, kumukulo na. Let's add the this daon ng sili and malunggay. Yan, very nutritious and healthy. We all know that malunggay is a superfood. It has a lot of nutrients. So, very healthy talaga itong dish na to. And then you let it boil again for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook the vegetables in it. So that's it. Here you go. Here comes your very healthy and nutritious, delicious tinola.